In this short video, we'll show you how to set up, clean, store, and get the most out of your Nurture Smart Advanced Crib Mobile, designed to support your baby's development through sensory and physical play. To install the batteries, you will need 4 C batteries and a Phillips screwdriver. To start, loosen the screw on the battery compartment cover with your screwdriver and remove the cover. Now, insert your 4 batteries according to the indicators inside the compartment. To insert a personalized label into the mobile, loosen the screw on the battery compartment cover and remove the cover. Now, remove the label insert and insert your custom label using the blank label included or your own label cut to size. Lastly, attach the battery compartment cover and secure it by tightening the screw. To attach the mobile, place the bracket on top of the crib rail, then fully loosen the knob to allow the backplate to fit between the crib side slats. Once the knob is fully loosened and between the slats, tighten the knob until the backplate is in the horizontal position and the mobile is secure. Do not over-tighten the knob. The patented joint of the Advanced Crib Mobile makes it effortless to adjust the height of the mobile to match the baby's developing visual range and to quickly reposition the mobile for easy access to the baby. To raise the mobile arm away from the crib, gently lift the arm until it locks into the desired position. To lower the mobile arm, press the release button and lower the arm to the desired height. The first feature for visual stimulation is the large domed mirror, which engages babies and encourages visual attention and body movement. The stimulating images are perfect for a baby's developing vision. The mobile includes 3 black and white images and 3 colored images on the rotating part of the mobile. To flip images from black and white to color, gently lift each paddle, rotate to the desired image, and gently lower into position. The comforting nightlight creates soft starlight projections on the nursery ceiling. To turn on, go to the control panel and press the button with the sun icon. To turn the mobile on, just press any function button. To turn the mobile off, press the orange off button, located in the middle of the 4 timer buttons. The Nurture Smart Advanced Crib Mobile includes sound, motion, and light functions. These 3 types of functions can operate independently or in any combination, all controlled by the control panel. The selected functions will operate for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, depending on the time selected. The mobile has 5 sound functions: white noise, heartbeat, waves, lullaby, and classical music. To adjust volume, press any of the 3 volume buttons: low, medium, and high. To start the motion of the mobile, press the button with rotating arrows. The entire mobile has been designed to be completely cleanable. Wipe all surfaces with disinfectant wipes or a cloth dampened with mild soap and water, and be sure to rinse any cleaning solution thoroughly before the baby uses the mobile. Now enjoy the Nurture Smart Advanced Crib Mobile and enhance your baby's development anywhere you want. Nurture Smart, designed for hospitals, loved by parents.